Pla Sam Rod, my favorite recipe from Phuket, Thailand, and I hope to share this with you. The recipe is online at pccmarket.com. Simply search on Google add 3 flavor fish, Prani Harvesen, and you will get this recipe. Okay, so tonight I share this recipe with you because it's something I decide to prepare for my family. It's very simple. Okay, what you can do in one pan, you can pan sear the salmon. Okay, and another pan, you can start to make 3 flavored fish, which means Pla Sam Rod in Thai. It's very simple recipe. It almost like sweet and sour. Very simple. Simply you heat up the pan on high heat. I already prep everything just to make it very easy to show you. This is garlic that already minced and bell pepper, okay, and then onions, tomatoes, and this is for garnish later. So I already have brown rice that I cook ahead, and here I have a hot sauce. I use a Thai sriracha sauce, which is the original sriracha sauce from Thailand. There are several brands, but I love this one. And you can make these 3 flavor sauce, mean sweet, sour, and spicy. Okay, so I choose the hot sauce. You also can use this sweet chili sauce to add sweet to the flavor, but today I'm going to just use hot because I would like this on the less sweet side. And then the fish sauce today is from Thailand, the squid brand, which I also like. So it's very simple. All these things are stable ingredients that you should have anyway in your kitchen for Thai food, for any food. I mean, the flavor is amazing. You can use Thai sriracha sauce instead of Tabasco. And for sweet chili sauce, you pretty much can dip anything in and use for dipping sauce, or you can use as sweet into your cooking with a lot of flavorful. So here I heat up garlics, okay, nice and golden, and then I add bell pepper. Caramelize it a little bit. Okay, then I add about a cup of onions. How long to cook the garlic, the onions, and pepper? It's really up to you. Sometimes you want the sauce to be nice, soft texture for vegetable to go over the fish, or sometimes you just want it still have some nice texture to it. Okay, so then I'm going to add tomatoes. Now, instead of tomatoes, you can also use mango, pineapple. Okay. We start to have a lot of colors and flavors going on. This is the perfect heat. I have it on high heat. Okay. And it won't take very long. You see it comes together really well. So while this caramelizing, I'm going to add the hot sauce. Here it is. And if you want it spicier, you can add some more. So when we say 3 flavor sauce, 1 flavor is spicy. So now it's a lime juice. Okay. So it can add a nice sour into the cooking. Another thing you can use is rice vinegar for the sours. So now, fish sauce. This is my favorite brand, squid. Okay, see, my family come for dinner already. They ring the doorbell. They just came back from work. And it's just amazing how fast it is, and this will be ready in any minute. So now this is chicken stock, okay? So you add just enough to make the sauce, okay? Just like this, and you let it sizzle. And I can serve this right away, or you can let the sauce marriage with on this ingredient. But because of the doorbell is ringing, I have to serve it and show you right away. This is the salmon, okay? And you can make this ahead of time and heat it up for your family, just like this. And here's the garnish. Perfect. Now I can answer the doorbell. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you can share this easy recipe with your family anytime. And the leftover sauce, you can freeze them and reuse it again and again. Thank you so much, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.